Welcome to another Java tutorial video. How to create a Java project in Eclipse. In this video tutorial, I will show you the steps to create a simple project in Eclipse. So this is my Eclipse IDE, and to create a new project, Java project, click here, then click on New, and you can select the Java. To create a new project, File, then New, and here you can see there are options to create various type of projects. So it's Maven project, enterprise application, dynamic web application, and so on. So we are interested in creating a simple Java project. So I will click on project, and from here you can see there are many options. So you select the Java project, click next, and here you have to provide the name of the project. So I am giving the name my first project, and this will be saved into this directory, and I am using Java Standard Edition 7. Then click next. So unselect this create module info Java file, then click next, and click on finish, and click on open perspective. So you can see first Java project is created, and these are the system library files which is added to the project GRE system library, and under the source we can create the Java classes. So right click and first create the package, click finish. So in Java we should organize the classes into the package. Next we are going to create a simple class. So for this, right click on the package, then new, and click on class. So my first class I will be creating another class with the name hello world, and here I will select the public static void main method so that this method gets generated. So you can see this method is generated. To run this Java class, right click and then select run as Java application. So we can see it printed the hello message on the console, and we created another class my.class. So we are going to write a simple method here, public int add So we are creating a method called add, and it is simply returning the sum of I plus j, two numbers, two input variables. Now to use this class, you have to create the object of this class. For this, we will be using a new keyword. So my first, and the variable name my first object equal to new my first. So it is creating the object of my first class, and int sum equal to my first dot add. So we are calling this sum function of on this object, and so if you run this program, you will see the sum of these two numbers. So hello message printed, and here we have the sum of these two numbers. So this way you can simply create your first Java project in Eclipse. Debug, right click here, and it is added the breakpoint here. Right click and debug as Java application. Right click and debug as Java application. So the Java debugger is opened into the Eclipse, and it is waiting here because we have added the breakpoint. So to go to the next line, we can click step into. So step into is actually open this class, this method, and it is here. Then step over, then now it is printing the so it printed the message here. So this way you can debug your Java project as well. So in this tutorial I showed you how you can create a simple Java project, write few classes, and then run the Java code. And I also showed you how you can add the breakpoint and debug your Java program. So thanks for watching this video, and subscribe our channel.